Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat add friend that is not working on your phone. So first of all we will go into the Snapchat mobile application and go to chat section, and after that on the search bar search the person name whoever you want. So let's say if I want to find this person, okay, and you have to click on the plus icon which is on right side, okay, and after that you will able to add friend that account or that person. But if you're not able to do, you have to do one thing. You have to click on the DP of that account, and here you can see that blue icon, that is add friend. So you have to click over that, and in this way you will able to add friend, right? But if you're not able to see this blue icon, this might can be that person has blocked you, right? So this is a major issue what I find. But if you but somehow if you're not able to add friend, you have to check your internet connection. Because of very slow internet connection, somehow you're not able to add that friend, right? So this might be the solution for you. But if it but the both the solution doesn't work, you have to do one thing. You have to click and hold this app, and you have to go to the app info. And if you're using iOS, then you have to go to the settings, and after that data storage, and here we have to select the first option, storage usage, okay, and here we have to clear all the cache, and after that we have to clear all the data, okay. And after clearing all the data, the app will become completely new and it will unload all the unused data and all that. So you have to log in into this account once again, and after that this might fix a problem, right? So this is it guys. This is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.